If you are the kind of person who loves spending time in the kitchen, experimenting with recipes, organizing your space, or just making everyday cooking easier, then this video is made for you. Because today, we're diving into 6 amazing Amazon kitchen finds that'll completely transform how you cook, prep, and serve food. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven. Here, we help you discover the smartest, most useful, and best value Amazon products for your home, tested, trusted, and loved by kitchen enthusiasts across the USA. All the product links are listed below in the description, so you can check them out anytime. All right, let's jump right in. Number 6, Norpro Honey and Syrup Dispenser. Let's kick things off with something simple yet brilliant, the Norpro Honey and Syrup Dispenser. If you've ever struggled with sticky jars or messy syrup bottles, this little gadget is about to change your mornings. With its ergonomic handle and smooth flow design, you can pour honey, syrup, or even maple glaze effortlessly. No drips, no spills. It comes with its own stand that catches every extra drop, keeping your counter clean. The durable glass body with chrome plating gives it a classy cafe-style look that fits right into any kitchen. Refilling is super simple. Just twist the top, pour, and you're good to go. Whether you're sweetening your tea, topping pancakes, or adding honey to your baking recipes, this is one of those small upgrades that quickly becomes a daily essential. Number 5, Compact Electric Food Processor. At number 5, we've got the Compact Electric Food Processor, a total game changer for anyone who hates chopping. It's built with 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades and a high-torque motor that handles everything from onions and nuts to sauces, dressings, and even baby food. The clear mixing bowl lets you watch the texture as you blend, and when you're done, cleanup's a breeze because all the removable parts are dishwasher safe. It's lightweight, powerful, and takes up almost no counter space, perfect for small kitchens, meal preppers, or anyone who wants to save time without sacrificing quality. Number 4, Touchscreen Toaster. This next gadget might just make your mornings your favorite part of the day, the touchscreen toaster. With a sleek stainless steel design and a modern digital display, it lets you pick from 6 bread types, 6 browning levels, and even choose your toasting style. The wide slots can handle everything from bagels and waffles to thick artisan bread, and the digital countdown timer shows exactly when your toast will pop. No guessing, no burning, just perfect toast every single time. It even includes options for defrost, reheat, and cancel. Sleek, smart, and seriously convenient. This is the future of breakfast. Number 3, Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine. At number 3, coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Automatic Espresso and Coffee Machine is basically your personal cafe right on the counter. It features a built-in bean grinder and steam milk frother, so you can brew espresso, cappuccino, or latte with cafe-quality flavor at home. All you have to do is add your beans, select your drink, and let the machine do the rest. It grinds, brews, and froths automatically to deliver a rich, aromatic cup every single time. Whether it's your quick morning espresso or a slow weekend latte, this one brings coffeehouse luxury right into your kitchen, minus the long lines and overpriced drinks. Number 2, LifeWit Expandable Silverware Drawer Organizer. If cluttered drawers drive you crazy, you'll love this one, the LifeWit Expandable Silverware Organizer. It features adjustable sections that expand to fit most drawer sizes and deep compartments to organize everything from forks and spoons to large serving utensils. It's sturdy, non-slip, and built to keep everything perfectly in place even when you open and close the drawer quickly. This organizer doesn't just make your kitchen look neat, it actually saves you time every day. You'll never dig through a messy drawer again looking for the right utensil. Simple, functional, and oddly satisfying once everything finally has its place. Number 1, Yonana's Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker. And at number 1, dessert time. The Yonana's Frozen Fruit Soft Serve Maker lets you make delicious, healthy frozen treats using nothing but fruit. Just toss in frozen bananas, berries, or mangoes, and within minutes, you've got soft serve that tastes like ice cream, but without dairy, sugar, or guilt. It's BPA-free, easy to clean, and fun for the whole family. Perfect for anyone who wants a healthier dessert option that still satisfies that sweet tooth. This one's a must-have for summer, and honestly, once you try it, store-bought ice cream won't taste the same again. And that wraps up another round of amazing Amazon kitchen finds. From smart toasters to frozen dessert makers, these gadgets prove that you don't need a big budget to make your kitchen feel high-end. If you found something you'd love to try, all the product links are waiting for you down below. And if you enjoy discovering useful, well-designed Amazon products, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Consumer Heaven. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.